Listen to this. That's the sound of exhaust leaving the exhaust manifold when the bolt is broken. And that bolt down there is broken. It only takes about an hour to pull the cab. Gives us access to the bolts. Hey, what's that doing there? Now that the manifold's off, we can see all that black soot was leaking out because the manifold wasn't held tight. And there's the broken bolt. We're going to extract that with some vice grips. Look at that, shiny new manifold, new bolts, new gaskets. And now it doesn't make the noise.